This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a little while. I've been working on cleaning up this horrific garage, getting ready for our house to go on the market. So I'm going to be doing a lot of that, but I got to have my sanity, so I will be working on the SVJ. Speaking of which, let's go take a look at what we've done. So finally got the front bumper put together and got it so that we fit the fender and the headlight and everything in there. Obviously I'm being pretty brutal with the prints, so I have to fix them from time to time because they crack. Kind of par for the course. Got some gaps we have to fill here, there, and obviously there, so those will be pretty easy to fix. The other thing that we did was got this fender on. The wheels are off because I'm getting smaller tires because I'm having interference issues with the frame. So the tires were actually way too wide and way too large in diameter anyway for this wheel well. So turns out we'll get that fixed. Got the windshield surround printed. It's just kind of mocked in for now. And then my son and I got the rocker and the inner sill all fitted last night. So those are coming along really nice. Well, and as you can see, I know it doesn't look a whole lot cleaner, but there is a lot of the clutter out of the way. Got a lot more room, no more lift. Other side, we also cleaned everything up. So that's taken a lot of my time. But back to the SVJ. We did get the door card mounted. You can see we have a better gap. If you look at some of the past videos, this gap was enormous and you could actually, it didn't fit very well. This is fitting like a charm, and if I open it, it opens right up and we can see inside. I put the steel skin in. We got a little bit of area to fill down here, but it's fitting quite nicely, as you can see. So I'm really happy with the way that's going. We got the sill in. Obviously we have a little bit of gapping here that we have to take care of, but there's also going to be a seal that goes around there as well that'll kind of hide that transition. So let me know what you guys think. And one of the big things that I've done is we removed the 5 universal joints that I had in here. I moved the brake pedal system, took out the 5 universal joints so that we only have 2 now. And the beauty about that is now I can do a tilt on the steering, and the steering is much better. So it doesn't bind or do anything weird, and I'm so much more comfortable with being able to drive this on the road. So yeah, that took a lot of cutting and welding, and I'm gonna have to sure all of that up, and also do some more reinforcements for the frame, because we did have to cut a notch out, as you can see down there. And I had to take out a little piece of the frame and the tie-ins, so all of that's going to have to be reinforced, but shouldn't be a big problem. Now, one of the other things that we did was I actually moved the coilovers down to their normal place and put the push rods up higher. That's what gave me the clearance to be able to do the steering like that. And that's just the way it's going to be. So that's the beauty of this cantilevered system, is you can move things around like that. So we'll see how it works. We'll see how it rides, if it rides any worse or better than it did before. But I'm pretty confident it's going to work the same. And another episode of What You Printing. Well, I moved the printers out here into the garage. And the reason for that obviously is I can't have a 3D printing room anymore because it kind of makes a mess. So you can see in here we're actually printing part of the quarter window, and then in here we're working on the last part of the wing. So we'll go down and show you how the wing is coming along. Okay guys, got it mounted up, and voila, there's our SVJ rear wing. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I think that's going to be pretty awesome once we get that all set up in carbon fiber. So yeah, we're just going to keep printing away. Currently I just have it plastic welded in place. We'll eventually take this all apart so that we can screw it all together. So that's the way this is gonna eventually be done. But I just wanted to put it in and see how it looked, and I think the results are great. You guys let me know what you think. Put those down in the comments. Get you a shot of the whole car here. So, yeah. So, that's it. Sorry for the wait, guys and gals. It's just been a little busy, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on this. I want to keep doing it because it really kind of gives me an outlet to just kind of calm down and do things after work and after trying to get the house ready for sale. So anyway, I appreciate your guys' patience. Something new, if you look down, we have a tag now where you can actually shop for some Creality products. I'm going to put some automotive products that I've used in the past and stuff. So if you want to acquire those, you can go to that little tag, and channel gets a little cut. Helps us out, helps us keep this project rocking and rolling. So if you could do that, that'd be great. In addition, please subscribe, hit that like button, thumbs up, right? and do all of the algorithm things. Just really helps the channel out. So hopefully I'll see you guys next weekend. Y'all take care. Bye.